Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Commentaries, coming to you on Monday morning, October the 2nd. Good morning. Hope your weekend was fantastic. Just horrible news coming out of Las Vegas overnight, and just can't imagine what horrific events occurred there. Just heart-wrenching, just terrible, miserable type news. Seems hard to even talk about grains and livestock this morning, but markets are ongoing. And mention here that we had some private export sale announcements this morning. Trade is going to be looking closely for signs of demand, and that's what we received. Almost 600,000 metric tons of corn sold to Mexico and 132,000 beans sold to China. So some supportive export news announcements this morning. That'll help firm things up. We are a little bit lower overnight, just a penny lower corn, 3 or to 4 in soybeans. The big market movement, it was in the wheat. U.S. dollar sharply higher, and you had a bearish report on Friday. Bigger small grains production numbers than what was expected, pressuring wheat, and we're seeing follow-through selling overnight. Now, check out a couple charts. Kansas City wheat, there's an uptrending channel. We're right at the bottom of this channel, so technically this is an area where it really needs to hold in the Kansas City wheat. And in Minneapolis, we've fallen all the way back to an open chart gap left in early part of June for December, and we are in that gap area. So this is an area that since we're here, fill this gap, and hopefully we can bounce out of here and see some sort of recovery. But so far the news has not been real friendly for Minneapolis wheat. Bigger production numbers in the U.S. than what was expected, bigger numbers out of Canada than what was expected, and we're in a demand time frame, so we don't want the dollar to be rallying. That will ultimately hurt our wheat exports. In the grains here, we're going to see a lot of harvest delays this week. We had a lot of rain yesterday in our Storm Lake, Iowa office, and welcome to our new office in Pocahontas, Iowa. Some rains on Sunday, continuing this week, going to produce some harvest delays. Trade crop progress numbers will be out this afternoon. Trade's looking for a pretty good advancement of corn and soybean harvest compared to a week ago, but it should slow down dramatically by midweek with rains across most of the Midwest, especially the western corn belt and through the plains states. Livestock trade looks choppy, two-sided here in the cattle, looking for some direction. Cash trade was steady. Futures markets were lower last week. Could see some follow-through selling in the cattle market here as we don't have a real strong fundamental base, and we went up, filled a gap on the December cattle, closed back below it on Friday. So technically kind of negative there as well. Have a great day. Good luck and good trading, and be safe. Talk to you again soon. Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets.